morning from Miami. We are on the hunt for a few different things. First, we are dumping our gray water, which we just found a drain in the Walmart parking lot. So we feel like that's probably okay. And after that, we will find a Goodwill because we decided we're not going to have our reverse osmosis system anymore. Because one, it takes up a lot of space, and two, we've realized that it uses way too much water. It just wastes so much water just to get a little bit. And we realized it's just not worth it, and instead of having the system with us, we can just buy refills like at Whole Foods whenever we have a chance. We'll just keep some extra jugs around and just refill our reverse osmosis water there because they have it. So we'll drop that off because it's taking up a lot of space right now, and hopefully someone else can use it in the future. And then we are going to find a Planet Fitness because we want to shower before our next adventures. We want to shower, and then we also want to find a laundromat, get our laundry done, shower out of the way, maybe do a little exercise, and get things taken care of. And then we want to go deep down south Florida, where the nature is. So there will not be any gyms or possibly laundromats. Who knows? We've never been there. So we just want to be fresh and prepared for that adventure. We don't know how long we're gonna be there, and we're excited. So this is preparation day. We found the Goodwill Superstore. He says, "Mama, it's so hot. Why did you take me here?" Don't worry, baby. We'll shave all your floofs off soon, and you'll feel so much better as soon as we get a chance.
Alright. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
This is a reverse osmosis kit. It's
Right.
barely used it, so.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Maybe I listen?
No,
It's okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Now we're going to go inside and try to find a backpack or like a cheap little dirty bag to put our little pee tank in. So when we're dumping it in a public toilet, we're not just carrying this clear see-through pee tank around. It's like 2 gallons worth of urine. So we're just gonna have something to conceal it a little bit. Summer camp.
Yeah. No, we have a pee tank here. This is it's like more straight up,
Yeah.
and it does look more like a less sketchy.
Yeah. It looks more normal. I think we have a winner. So we finished our showers. We feel clean and happy. And we are at the laundromat waiting for our clothes to wash. In 30 minutes we'll put them in the dryer. And in the meantime we're just chilling, trying to think of our next plan for the day in the next few days. And I think we decided that after I put the clothes in the dryer, we're gonna try to shave Sadie. I've already given her the drugs, and it takes an hour for that to kick in, and then we'll try to shave the cat. Moments of fluff left. Slowly gone.
Here. Okay.
Look, sweetie. Look. It's you. It's half of you. It's there. How do you feel about that? Almost done. You defeated it. It's dead. Good job. Walking to the gate to find out some information about tickets and annual passes and see what we want to do, because the annual pass for unlimited national parks is like $80, so we're gonna decide if we want to do that or not. We got our annual pass. And what are the benefits, honey?
So we paid $80 for this. It's good for 1 year, only the federal national parks. You can bring 3 other adults. So you and I, like, it cost us $40 each. It's amazing. And then
for the whole year.
Whole year, and you can use it, or I can use it with driver's license.
Many times as we want.
And
that includes parking.
Yeah, it's open 24, like it's open all the time, so you can go inside and keep parking inside and no problem. And that's pretty amazing. Wow.
Yeah, so it's all national parks, right?
Yeah, it's all national parks, federal. It has to be federal.
Federal, okay.
It can't be like a specific state's park, or it has to be
like,
federal park.
Yeah.
National park. So park itself, if we were going, like, it was $55 and getting a annual pass $80. Why not? And that's amazing. And this park is pretty huge, so we'll find different spots for different things, like flamingos or the different climate trees, or all we're gonna explore. We don't know yet.
I'm gonna have to get some allergy medicine before we do anything.
Yeah.
Apparently I'm allergic to South Florida. Big surprise. No, baby. Leave that bird alone. This feels like a jungle.
Yeah, look at that.
So beautiful.
This tree looks like a creature, look, outside. Pattern.
Ooh. Stripes. We haven't seen any alligators yet,
Luckily.
but we're on the lookout. Wow, those eyes. Look at those eyes. Emerald eyes. They're beautiful. Some interesting throat action. He or she is just chilling.
Taking a nap.
Es el papá. ¿Y quién es el otro?
He's had enough of these humans.
¿Te ves?